Welcome to Wellness Bites, instant boosts for a healthy life, your ultimate guide to the world of well-being. The first bite of wellness is balancing your diet. Incorporate colorful fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins to energize your body. Next, we dive into the power of hydration. Drinking enough water daily can help improve your skin, digestion, and overall bodily functions. Thirdly, we unravel the importance of physical activity. Regular exercise keeps your heart healthy, improves mood, and boosts overall vitality. Our fourth wellness bite is all about mindfulness. Practice meditation or yoga to reduce stress and improve mental clarity. In the fifth step, we explore the significance of sound sleep. Restful sleep rejuvenates the body, improves memory, and aids in maintaining a healthy weight. Finally, we delve into the art of maintaining strong social connections. Building meaningful relationships contributes to emotional well-being and longevity. Tune in and embrace the journey towards a healthier you.